The pound and the euro opened today's session notably lower against the US dollar. The downtrend is still in place despite the unemployment rate in the UK remaining steadily. Despite the forecasted increase in the unemployment rate from 4.2% to 4.3%, the actual reading turned out to be better than expected. In theory, the pound should have experienced some correction, pulling the euro along. Investors, however, were unsettled by the average earnings data, which showed a more significant slowdown, dropping from 7.2% to 6.6%, while analysts anticipated a decline to 6.8%. Moreover, previous results were revised downward from 7.3%. Considering high inflation in the United Kingdom, the situation appears even more challenging. But this data cannot serve as the only driver for the market. With no major macroeconomic reports scheduled for today, market participants will be focused on the news feed, awaiting messages that can influence the situation. The euro-dollar pair accelerated its decline right after the price settled below the 1.0950 level, and this move intensified the selling pressure and this downward trajectory of the pair. Notably, there have been no radical changes on the trading chart, and the quote is still trading in the sideways channel between 1.09 and 1.10. This situation suggests two possible scenarios. The first one is a rebound from the 1.09 level that can later evolve into the sideways movement. In the second scenario, the existing sideways channel may complete its formation, and the breakout of the 1.09 level could result in a subsequent strengthening of the US dollar. The pound-dollar pair is trading close to the lower boundary of the sideways channel formed between 1.26 and 1.28, displaying a notable increase in sell positions. This movement occurred amid rising interest in the United States dollar. If the price settles firmly below the midline of the channel at 1.27, bears may increase the volume of short positions and push the price lower to 1.26. This will complete the trajectory of the price moving from the upper to the lower boundary of the flat channel. However, a return of the price above 1.27 may interrupt the downward cycle within the channel and lead to price fluctuations at its upper boundary. How we're going to be in the short term, we will definitely tell you in our next news release. Don't miss them. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.